Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about Vivo V9. Basically, I will show you the unboxing and then I will talk about specifications and design. The full review of Vivo V9 will come later. Vivo V9 is priced at Rs 23,000 and features a notch similar to iPhone X. As always, Vivo has focused on camera and music more than anything. I will talk about camera in a separate video. Now let's do the unboxing. This is the box to hold the user guide and warranty card. I will check it later. Here we have the pearl black Vivo V9 that looks really beautiful. I will talk about it later. Here we also have adapter to charge the phone, a micro USB cable, the earphone. Now let's see what is inside this box. Here we have a silicone back cover to add a layer of protection on the phone without hiding its beauty. The SIM ejector pin and few papers including warranty paper and user guide. This is Vivo V9. Vivo tried to replicate the design of iPhone X by adding a similar kind of notch and vertical dual camera setup at the back. Vivo V9 features a plastic body with metallic finish. The back is glossy and reflective. It also attracts dust and fingerprints, so you need to clean it frequently. It will also get scratches easily. Thanks to Vivo, the company is offering a free back cover within the box. The front is being dominated by the display. It has very narrow bezels at the sides and top, and at the base side it has considerable but thin bezels. Vivo says that the screen to body ratio is about 90%. The display has 19:9 aspect ratio. The power button and volume buttons are at the right and SIM card tray is at the left. At the base side the phone has headphone jack, primary microphone, micro USB and speaker. While most of the smartphones now come with USB Type-C, Vivo is still using micro USB. As there is no place to put fingerprint sensor on the front, it has been placed at the back panel. The phone looks beautiful and premium from both front and the back. If you love the display notch, you will love this design. The phone has 6.3 inches IPS display protected with Gorilla Glass 3 and offering full HD plus resolution. The display looks good. I will talk about it in detail in the full review video. The phone is powered by Snapdragon 626 with 4GB of RAM. The storage of this phone is 64GB and you can also expand the storage up to 256GB by adding a micro SD card. The phone runs on FunTouch 4.1 UI based on Android 8.1 Oreo. The UI has lots of features that I will talk about in the full review video. The phone has a dual camera setup on the back that includes 16 megapixels and 5 megapixel sensor. On the front, it has 24 megapixels camera for taking selfies. It also claims AI powered beautify mode. The camera app got so many features including the option for portrait. There are so many camera modes and effects. Here are few shots that I took in indoor conditions and all these shots look promising. I will talk about camera in detail in a separate video. The phone has 4G with voice for LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro USB like connectivity options. It also supports face unlock. The phone packs 3260 mAh battery. So these were the specifications of Vivo V9. I will talk about the performance in detail in upcoming videos. I will be doing a separate camera review and then a separate full review of Vivo V9. If you have any specific question to ask, you can leave it in the comment. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and take care.